Hi students, let us see the sum which is in the Altus model. Here a company has 1 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 each. It having the 1 lakh equity shares of rupees 10 each. The company expects it earnings rupees 7 lakhs 50,000 and cost of capital at 10% for the next financial year. So the company is expecting to earn the 7 lakhs 50,000. Okay. So using the Walters model dividend policy, would you recommend when the rate of return on investment of the companies estimated at 8% and 12% respectively. So here we have to calculate the rate of interest means R at that 8% and 12%. So in the before we are going to calculate, we know the formula. So let us write here solution. What is the Walters model formula? Market price per equity share P is equal to D plus R by K into E minus D divided by K, where D is equal to dividend per share, R is equal to rate of returns, K is equal to cost of capital, E is equal to earning per share minus dividend per share divided by cost of capital. Okay, so here we know the Walters model formula. Now let us go to the sum. What they are asking us to calculate it at the estimated price 8% and 12%. So what is here estimated rate? Return on investment. That means here R is equal to, where R is equal to 8%. We can write this 8% as 0.08. Okay. So we know the value of the R. R is equal to 0.08. So what is the K? Where we have the K value. K means here cost of the capital in the sum they given here. The cost of the capital at 10%. So here the cost of the capital is 10% means that is K. So K, we have to write the small r. K is equal to how much? 10%. 10% means we have to write in the points, decimal points, which is 0.10. Okay. So now we know the value. To substitute the values, we know the value of R and K. Then where we have to find the dividend per share and earning per share. So come here. Coming here, a company has 1 lakh equity shares of rupees 10. So it is expecting the experts that it's earner 7 lakhs 50,000. So now we have to use one formula, earning per share. What does that mean? Earning per share is equal to total earnings. Total earnings divided by number of shares. So here total earnings means here what is we expected earnings means 7,50,000. We have to make it as the total earnings. And coming to the number of shares means which is has the company already having the equity of the shares, that is 1 lakh. So now we have to write here 7,50,000 divided by 1 lakh. So while we are calculating, it is the earning per share rupees 7 rupees 50 pies. Okay. Now the earning per price is equal to 7 rupees 50 pies. Now the dividend share per price also, when we are calculating it to the dividend per share, it is come as 7 rupees 50 pies. Okay. Now we have to substitute in the formula, where market per price P is equal to 7 rupees 50 pies plus R is equal to 0.08 divided by 0.10, that is cost of capital. Now we are subtracting E minus D. Okay. Then divided by cost of capital. While we calculating this, we will get the value. Okay. So 7.50 minus 7.50 means 0. Okay. Then 0 into something else is 0, right? So 0 into any value, it will be 0. Now, then what we had here, 7.50 plus 0 divided by 0.10. This is equal to 75 rupees. So, see here, before seeing this video, see, I given the formula about another video and also some note. When R is equal to K, then it is the normal form. If the growth form means R greater than K, that means cost of capital, then it is growth. R less than K, then it is in the state of declining form. Okay. Now let us see. What is the R? R is equal to 0.08. K is equal to 0.10. So, what is the position of the R and K? Is R greater than K? No. So, R is less than K. So, then it is declining form. Okay. Now, let us do the sum for the 12%. For 12%. That means what is 12%? R is equal to 12%. R is equal to 12% means when we are converting into decimal points, it's equal to 0.12. When we are converting into decimal points, it is 0.12. Already we know the value of the D. But here, when coming to the 12%, the dividend per share is 100%. Then this 7.50, when it is calculating to 100%, it is 0. Okay. The D is equal to dividend per share is equal to 0. So earning per share is equal to 7.50. R is equal to 0.12. Cost of capital is equal to 0.10. Now we have to substitute in the formula. What is the formula? P is equal to D plus R by K into E minus D by K. That means cost of capital. D is equal to 0. R is equal to 0.12. K 0.10. E 7.50 minus 0 by 0.10. Now when we are subtracting 7.50, then the value is 7.50. 0.12 divided by 0.10 is equal to 1. So now let us do another step. 0.1.2 into 7.50 divided by 0.12. So into 7.50. Then it is 1.2 into 7.50 is equal to 9. This is equal to 9 divided by 0. Is equal to rupees 90. So then in the 12% R, that means rate of return R 12%, then cost of capital. So here what will be happen? R greater than K. So as per note, R greater than K, then it is growth form. Then it is growth form. Okay. So this is the process to make the Walters model. And again in here, Walters model, we have to see the payout ratio also, equity share when payout. In the next sem, let us see the another model of the Walters model. Okay, thank you.